an all-in-one credit repair business software that changes lives. Over 100 million Americans have a low or no credit score that makes life tougher for them every single day. Poor credit scores can lead to a poor quality of life, but luckily, this doesn't have to remain true forever. With Credit Repair Cloud software, you can pull credit reports, initiate disputes, and manage clients easily. Credit Repair Cloud gives you everything you need to start a life-changing credit repair business. As seen on ABC, CBS, NBC, and Incorporated 500. Find out more at Credit Repair Cloud. GRSM.io Financial Serenity.